Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys another makeup look. I know you guys have missed me so much, so I'm going to be bringing you some new makeup, and I'm just so excited just to be here again. And first of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post new videos on my channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this look. Okay, starting with my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm going to put this on my eyelid, and then I'm going to go ahead and just blend that in. Now for my Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to be taking the close to darkest green shade in there, and I'm going to be using this as my transition color for the next shade of green that I'm going to be putting on my eyelid. And I'm going to make sure that I blend this out really well before I go into the next shade. And now going into that darkest shade of green, I'm going to go ahead and put that into my crease area, and I'm going to tap this in because I want it to really show up on my eyelid. To create my cut crease, I'm using the same concealer that I use as my base for my eyeshadow in the beginning, and that is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm just going to go ahead and just cut this crease. Now going into the Zulu palette by Juvias place, I'm going to be using this shimmery green right here, and I'm going to put that on the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to tap that in. So this is a really pretty color, you guys. And from the Magic palette by Juvia's place, I'm going to be taking this dark shimmery green right here. It's called Buzzo, and I'm going to be putting that on top of that shimmery green that you just saw. And because it is darker, it's going to transition very well. And now from the Masquerade mini palette, I'm going to be taking this turquoise green that you see right here. It's called Malai, and it is going to go on the inner corners of my eye on the top of that shimmery green that you see me put the first time, and it's just going to bring these colors all together. To create my wing, I'm going to be using my favorite liner from Loreal. It is the Voluminous liner Noir. Okay, you guys, so for the rest of my face, I'm going to start with my eyes, and I'm going to be using that same concealer, and I'm going to be putting that under my eyes, my nose, down my chin area, and I'm going to go ahead and just blend this out. Okay, you guys, so for foundation, I'm going to be using the True MATCH-EXPRESSO Loreal in the color C10, and I'm going to be putting this all over my face, except for in the areas that I use that concealer on, but I'm going to make sure that I blend this out really well so that it transitions very well with the concealer that I've already put on my face. Okay, you guys, so to set my makeup, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Fix powder, and I'm just going to be tapping that into those areas that I use that concealer on, which is under my eyes, down my nose, my chin, and you know, around my lip area. For eyeliner, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Kohl Liner. And to finish off my makeup, I'm using the MAC Dark Deepest Mineralized powder, and I'm just going to brush this all over my face. Okay, you guys, for my lips, I decided to try out this green from Colourpop. It's called Crystal Ball, just to see how it would go with this look. And you guys can tell me what you think in the comments down below if you like this green on my lips right now. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I know I just had on green, I know, but you know, I'm more of a nude colored type of a woman. But if you like that green better than you like the color that I'm wearing on my lips right now, then leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to do more colored lips for you guys. I do have more lipstick in color, but I prefer a nude lip with whatever color that I'm wearing on my eyes. It just doesn't matter to me. But if you guys prefer color on my lips, then leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure that I start to do more color on my lips with my eyeshadow tutorials and all of that stuff. So if you like this look, once again, give me a thumbs up. Everything about this look will be left in the description box below. I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Peace.